Princess Punky. Video today. I'm gonna be making slime with my sister.
Hello. And yeah. So let's get started.
I need a bowl. Where there's two?
We'll just put one aside. So first, you need.
I can't believe we have this.
Yes.
What's
We
glue?
got this fork. Ready? We're gonna use glue first.
Glue?
Be very careful with this. It'll spill.
It will fill.
There's only really at this much. Look. Just add it. A little bit like that. Okay.
Okay.
That's it.
But I can't believe it.
Can you add it for you?
Oh, yes.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm not shooting.
Look at that cheap. It's clumpy. Just little bubbles in it.
Okay, that's enough.
Oh, ow! I want my hand. It's the napkin.
Napkin, where is napkin? The napkin. Okay, so guys, I am back because I just had a little trouble with the camera.
Yeah, we just cleaned it up.
Oh,
right now.
we make it?
No, you don't have to mix it because if you have to get the bubbles out of yours, just mix them. If you have like a lot of bubbles in it, just mix it. Mix it.
Mix.
Until it's like, whoa, very nice. Very nice, very
It's so
nice.
white and shiny. I
Okay.
can really smell the beans.
What color do you use?
I can use pink.
I'm gonna use my favorite color, yellow. Choose her favorite color, pink. This one I'm using.
We need to use pink.
Just add 1 drop. It's just 2 drops.
You like mustard.
I know mustard
Oh
sour.
my gosh, I'm bad at pinks.
Wow, it's a pastel. Nice, nice.
Oh, what? It's so pretty.
Oh my god,
Look, guys, look.
Let's see. Closer.
Oh my gosh. It's so
Oh,
pink.
wait, I'm gonna spill it.
Oh, it's. I'm gonna eat it.
So,
My
oh
cat.
my gosh. Okay, now we're gonna add this. We're gonna use a spoon for it, okay? No. Oh, it's okay.
I said you always right.
Ah!
You don't want to.
I'm not always right because I also don't know how to do always anything. Give me your phone.
We're gonna do it too.
We just need 2 drops. Yours? You missed it. Just do that in there.
You have to mix it.
Yeah, mine's still watering.
Oh.
Hers probably coming out more better than mine because hers got more activated. Oh!
Can
Oh!
I see yours?
Mine is turning out like this.
Okay.
So yes.
Oh my gosh, this is getting.
Misk.
Can I add another color?
I don't know. What's it?
Mm-hmm. I can use glue. Huh.
Everything was just so quiet for a second. I don't know why. Still watering. It's turning green. This is what I didn't want to happen.
Oh my gosh.
It's still watering. I guess I'm not adding that much.
Oh my gosh. Oh no.
I
My
think it's
slime is
good.
blue now. Hey guys, so we're back and this is how my slime came out.
She has a nice purple, too purple.
And we have the purple. I'm gonna show them your slime.
I have this yellowish greenish one. And I use the rest of my glue to make this one. But it's supposed to be like a space one type. You know. So yeah.
So now we're gonna put in this.
Yes.
All of this inside. So
This will be our mini container for the mini ones and for the big ones. I want to use the silver one.
oh my gosh, let me see something.
Yeah.
Okay, so guys, we have this.
Yeah, they're falling everywhere.
This thing out. And
Okay.
then we have some
Glitter. And yeah, so we're going to be adding, I'm going to just glitter to mine. Because I don't want styrofoam beads in mine. So yeah. So you can add yours?
I don't know what to add.
You can add those? I'm adding this
Oh
to my
my
green
gosh,
one.
this is
I didn't.
really-
Yeah.
This are really yummy.
Sit down, sit down. So yeah. I got this one because it kind of matches my slime. I mean, it does a lot.
Oh my god, I put so much.
I need to put some on the table. Wait. It kind of like a booger. So yeah.
I put a bunch. Look. I put a bunch. Ow.
This one is like a big old booger. Very nice. It's actually very nice.
Nobody won.
So yeah. I didn't know this one. Let me just no. I wish I throw it to the camera. Nice.
Okay, so guys, I'm back and we're gonna put our slimes in container.
Yeah. We're gonna put the little ones and the little ones, and then the big ones, the big slime, the big thing. And I have this big slime right here. That's
Hey!
my moon. So yeah. The big moon, yeah. So you open that one and then pop open. Why is it stuck? Oh well.
Okay, so guys, we're gonna put the slime in a little container.
And a mini container. So I'm gonna put the mini one, which is my mini little booger one here. Super little. What if we had more? That's okay. Okay. Now, time for the big mama. Why are you only filling the bottom? I thought we would fill up half of it. Okay. There we go. So they give me a fork. They're all full of glue.
Okay, so guys, that's it for this video. And yeah,
If you want to see more punky videos, subscribe.
yeah. And
Goodbye.